Hey everybody, welcome back to Project TJ, where I'm working on my 1997 Wrangler TJ. It's got 204,000 miles, it's a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, and today we're going to work on just changing out the transfer case fluid. So it's ATF plus 4 transmission fluid that goes in it, which is nice because it's just the same fluid that my JK uses, so it's one less different thing I have to buy compared to my JK. It should be really straightforward, just 2 Torx bit plugs that come out, and you drain it, you refill it. What could go wrong? Well, with this TJ you never know. So we'll see how it goes. Could be a really short video, could be kind of lengthy. We'll have to find out. Well, I have my Jeep on jack stands right now because I just finished doing the rear differential, and that lets the rear axle droop a bit to make access easier. I just decided to leave it up on stands. So I'm down here looking at the back of the transfer case, and it's not Torx tip. They're big hex heads, so I need to get some different tools. So I was wrong to start with, and we'll see how it goes from here. I'll be right back. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Here we are a week later because I had to order a 30mm socket because this transmission does not have Torx tip fasteners for the fill and drain plugs. It uses a 30mm socket. Who knew? But I got it, so we're gonna try today and see if we can get further than just looking at it. Okay, so leave it to me to not realize that I ordered a 3/4 inch drive 30mm socket, and I don't have a 3/4 inch drive ratchet. So I'll have to get a 3/8 inch drive or 1/2 inch drive for the next time. For this time, we're gonna go with the crescent wrench. And hopefully it's not torqued down there so tightly that I can't just use this and get this task completed. Well, I missed on that one. Okay, so it looks like the last time this got done, somebody put blue Loctite on this drain plug, which is why it was a bit of a struggle.
So I brushed that off. I don't know why you'd put Loctite on the drain plug unless it's leaking. I don't know. Seal looks good, so I'm not going to put any Loctite on it. Just going to tighten it back up and then start filling it up. Got some nice and red ATF +4. And I'm sure you noticed when I drained it, it was not red when it came out, so it'd be good to get some new fluid in here. Okay, and there we go. It's leaking out, so we're all done. Let's get the drain plug and plug it up. And that's a wrap. All full. I would say it'd probably take me half as long if I had the right tool, which I will have next time. So if you, I don't know if you found this useful or not, because it's literally just remove 2 plugs, drain it, fill it back up. But if you enjoyed me figuring out how to do it for the first time, I appreciate any comments, thoughts, questions, whatever you want to drop in the comment section. If you like my channel, please subscribe, thumbs up the video, all the standard YouTube requests. We'll see what project's next. Thanks a lot for watching.